Where are you going? Where are you going? And now my cat is sleeping here. Hello everyone, my name is Raki and I'm from UP, and guys, this is day 20 of English speaking series and let's learn English. And you know guys, so today I am just out of my room and there I am recording my video. And you know guys, from last 2-3 days here, like weather was like it's rainy season, and once rain also happened here, but nowadays it's bright sunshine now. Like from last 3 days it was totally rainy season, but now it's quite good. And guys, you can see the greenery behind me, and you can see this red flower. It's a small flower. It's very small flower now, but after a few days it will like bloom up, then it's look so good. And you can see the green leaf. And let me show you, if I can show you. Then yes, now you can see this is the green leaf, and this is and these are the branches of the tree. This called branches. So many branches here, and you can see this is the green leaf of the flower. And you can see this one, red flower. It's look very nice. You can see here, but the color of this flower, it's awesome. It's very nice color of this. And like I'm standing in the bright sunshine, and my face how it's looking. So this is a quite a small type of just a garden, like where is this flowers is there, and guava trees is there. This is the guava tree, if you can see. Like here is so many trees, and I don't know you able to see this guava tree. It's just here, and these are the flower trees which is here. And behind me there is so many trees of different kind of trees, but the mostly around me flower plant, different kind of flower plant. And behind me there is so many different trees, and there is forest trees also. Like we can only use the wood of those trees because those are the forest trees, and these are the flower trees which is here. And these flowers are so good. Now they are not bloomed yet, but later on they bloomed up. Okay, but it's look so nice to come in this place because it's totally surrounded with the greenery, and there is bright sunshine. And my cat also is here, but she is coming now. She is doing something. You cannot see it because she is down. And yes, and here is one more tree where you can see the small leaf of this tree, and this is called curry leaf. Hindi will say curry patta, and English will say curry leaf. And yes, she is here now. You can see this is my cat. She is just roaming around there, walking here and there, and now she is going. She is also making noise, like she is searching for something, some kind of food or something like that. So that's why she went down, and after she not found anything, then she come back. Like this is another type of flower. You can see this white color of flower, and leaf also different from that tree. And you can see this leaf are dark, and in a big size also. So, and those are trees are also different kind of trees. Their leaves also different from these. So here are so many type of flowers and so many kind of trees. This is total area is a small garden here, and behind that there's a whole forest area. Because this place is just near to my room. So here is small plant of the flower growing up, and behind that there is, if I go down, there will be whole forest area. Guys, you can see my cat, how she is laying down there, and my cat is there. You can see she's moving here. Where are you going? Where are you going? And now my cat is sleeping here. You can see this is my cat. And guys, so just tell me in the comment what is the weather in your place. Here is the totally like completely sunny weather, because it's a month of April and the summer season is started. And yes, in this season, like people feel sleepy, not feel so much productive to do the work, because of the that so much of hot weather or warm weather, warm days. So that is why. So keep drinking water and keep yourself hydrated. Sometimes I forgot to drink water, but later on I remind myself to drink more water in these days, because that is really important. That water keep us hydrated. So that is why in summer season you have to drink at least 5 liter, or maybe 2-3 liter at least drink water to keep your body hydrated and healthy. And this for today. I will meet you in the another video. Till then, keep learning and bye bye.